In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom table styles in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word includes several built-in table styles, but you can also create your own custom style when you want your tables to have a specific appearance. This is useful when you want consistent formatting across a document. To begin, insert a table into your Word document. Once the table is inserted, click anywhere inside it to display the Table Design tab on the ribbon. From the Table Design tab, you can start customizing the appearance of your table. You can change the table's borders, shading, fonts, and other formatting options to create the look you want. Start by selecting the table style options that you want to use. You can choose whether to emphasize the header row, first column, last column, or banded rows and columns. These options allow you to control which parts of the table receive special formatting. Next, adjust the borders and shading to match the design you're creating. You can select different border styles, colors, and line weights, then apply them to the areas of the table you want to change. You can also change the font formatting inside the table. Select the text or cells you want to modify, then adjust the font, size, weight, alignment, or other formatting options as needed. Once you've created the appearance you want, open the Table Styles gallery on the Table Design tab. From the gallery, choose the option to create or save a new table style. A dialog box will appear where you can give your custom table style a name. Enter a name that makes it easy to recognize later, then adjust the available formatting settings for the different parts of the table. You can customize elements such as the whole table, header row, total row, first column, last column, and banded rows. These settings allow your custom style to automatically format different parts of a table consistently. After you've finished setting up the style, select OK to save it. Your custom table style will now be available in the Table Styles gallery, allowing you to apply it to other tables in your document. Using a custom table style can save time, because you don't have to manually format every table. Once the style is created, you can apply the same formatting whenever you need a consistent table design. Before finishing, review the table to make sure the colors, borders, text formatting, and spacing are easy to read. A good table style should make the information clearer rather than make the table harder to understand. And that's it. You've now learned how to make custom table styles in Microsoft Word and reuse your preferred formatting whenever you create a table. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,